This is at St. Francis Hospital in Evanston. And look, this is kind of overkill. Just for this quick little flight up, we have an entire set of escalators and an elevator. And for this elevator, do not let the new call station fool you, because what's inside is pretty neat. That's right. Yep. Montgomery Vector. Is this unlocked or locked? I think it's locked. (1992). This elevator's from 1992. Montgomery. The indicator's fully burnt out. Get a good shot of that. There we go.